protecting your intellectual property by copyright, trademark, and patent. The advancements in technology have made information more accessible and easier to distribute. This is both good and bad for designers, creators, and inventors alike. Safeguarding creations and works from infringers, copycats, and thieves has become vital to both individuals and businesses. What is an intellectual property, and how do you protect it? Intellectual property covers any original ideas, designs, discoveries, inventions, and creative work produced by an individual or group. Copyright, trademark, patent, and design are a few of the most common types of IP protection. IP protection is necessary not only to protect innovations, but also as a means to incentivize the creator or owner of the intellectual property by allowing them the rights to profit from the said innovation to exclusion of all others for a definite period. The government of United Arab Emirates has issued new laws on trademarks, copyrights, and related rights, which have come into force on January 2, 2022. The law relating to trademarks is called the Federal Decree Law No. 36 of 2021. The law on copyright and related rights is known as the Federal Decree Law No. 38 of 2021. The law governing patents is the Federal Law No. 11 of 2021, which became effective on November 30, 2021. An organization that owns IP can monetize the same through its processes and also by allowing external parties to utilize the IP by entering into agreements for licensing and royalty rights. 3 methods to protect your IP. The first step to take in the term of IP protection is to ensure that you are registering your IP within the territory of its use. 1. Copyright registration. An original intellectual work in literary arts of the scientific area, whatever its description, including smart applications, computer programs and applications, a form of expression, significance, or purpose, is protected under the copyright law in the UAE. The Ministry of Economy in the UAE allows copyright registration, and once approved, the copyright remains valid for the entire lifetime of the owner and 50 years following the death. Infringement of the copyrighted work is liable for punishment to fine of up to 100,000 dirhams and/or imprisonment on the infringer. 2. Trademark registration. Trademarks constitute any distinctive marks, such as names, letters, figures, logos, title hallmarks, hologram marks, pictures, patterns, sound marks, words that are used or intended to be used to distinguish goods, products, or services. A distinctive sound or smell may also be a trademark. The Ministry of Economy in the UAE allows trademark registration, and once granted, the rights exist for 10 years duration from the date of filing application and can be renewed for a further period. Forging trademark is liable for punishment of fines of up to 1 million dirhams and/or imprisonment. 3. Patent registration. Patent protection and registration is allowed for any new invention that constitutes an innovative step or an improvement on an existing invention and has utility, industrial application in different fields of technology. The International Center for Patent Registration, ICPR, under the Ministry of Economy is the competent authority to register patents in the UAE. Once granted, a patent is valid for 20 years from the date of filing. Any infringement of any rights granted under a patent is punishable by imprisonment and/or fines of up to 1 million dirhams. Additional considerations to protect your IP. When planning to protect the IP of your business, apart from initiating the registration of your IP, you should also consider additional steps such as 1. Incorporating confidentially and non-disclosure agreements. 2. Domain name protection. 3. Investing in technology to provide you with methods to protect the trade secrets that make your business unique. Proceeding with the registration of your IP in the UAE at the earliest and ensuring its continued use is critical to ensure maximum protection of your IP and to be able to claim priority rights over others.
For more of our latest updates, like and subscribe to this channel.